Prior to using clixifix, we were using more of an Excel-based system and emailing the subcontractors, trying to get them to go back and do snags. As a result, the train of communication was quite often broken. The homeowners weren't always kept updated as to how things were proceeding. We got to a stage where we got so much bigger that we needed a system that was actually aimed directly at keeping the customers, the homeowners, happy. Before we had clixifix, snags would come into the office and they would be pretty much handled by whoever took the information, which obviously resulted in a broken communication trail. With clixifix, any one of us at any one time can go onto the system and see exactly where it is that we stand, and everything's recorded there. In a lot of instances, we're closing off house snags months and months before we were able to do that, before using the old system. It's made me a lot more efficient. Another benefit of clixifix we have found is that we are able to identify snags that are reoccurring by analysing the results and the KPIs of the snags. We were able to pinpoint exactly where it is we were going wrong, so we're basically doing preventative medicine. The support from the clixifix team has been absolutely phenomenal. Every time we've had any sort of a query, it's just a phone call or alternatively going online. The response is immediate, and every single time they've been able to resolve any queries that we've had. The system is just great. The backup, the support, the ease with which both you and the subcontractors are able to respond to it is just brilliant, and I wouldn't hesitate to recommend it to big and small companies.